Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Jack Skellington from The Nightmare Before Christmas. So let's get started. To draw this very awesome Pumpkin King, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and I'm just going to give myself a point. We're going to start to go up. And right here, curve up. And about right here, we're going to round it off and bring it right back. And connect. There. So then let's come right next to it and give yourself another point, and then from there we're going to draw the same thing. Go up and once again come right back in and connect. There. And then from there I'm going to come right back to this point and just draw a curve right underneath. Same thing here for some details. And I'm just going to come in here really quickly and shade this in all black. So a long time ago I drew Jack Skellington, a happier version of him, a friendlier version. And it's been so long I felt like I needed to redo it, and hopefully this video of Jack Skellington will help you a little bit better to draw him. And same thing here. So hopefully you feel that I've improved and that you love this version. There's a little bit meaner version of Jack Skellington. Cooler version, not mean, right? Okay, so now that I have these two shapes all shaded in, let's come in between and we're going to draw the nostrils. So about right here, just going to draw kind of two sharp ovals right here, and then shade it in as well. And then we're going to come, let's see here, let's draw the mouth. So as wide as the eyes are, we're going to come about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point nice and high, about right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve. Kind of flattens out a little bit, so not too deep. Go right here, you can wobble a little bit if you want, and go back up. And then we're going to come back here. I'll just cap this off right here, and then we're going to come in here and we're just going to draw some of these little stitches. So here and there you can go different directions, or you can even maybe make it an X. It's all up to you. But you just want to bring in these lines all the way across. And you can even make this part a little bit thicker if you want to be a stickler about it. Just to give his face a little bit more detail. There, just bring the stitches out a little bit longer. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's see here, wait. Now that I'm looking at my camera, I'm just going to make this part a little bit rounder. There. Now let's go ahead and frame his face. So we're going to be drawing this kind of circular ovalish shape. So let's say about right here, kind of like the center of this curve. I'm going to come about right here and give myself a point. And same thing here. And I'm going to basically go around. So very close to the mouth. Just going to start with a curve. And let's find my center. So say about right here, I'll just give myself a point. So I kind of know where I'm going, and I'm going to go ahead and start to draw this oval around. And same thing here. So if it's easier for you to draw his head shape first, definitely do that. But I just feel that if you start with the eyes, everything is in place a little bit more accurately. Okay, so then from there, let's go up. Now that we have that, I'm going to bring it in a little bit towards the top, and let's go ahead and connect it. And down. There. So just notice it's much closer down here and higher up here. Okay, so, and then, oh, let's draw the eyebrows. So right above this eye, I'm just going to come right here, draw a curve. And I'll thicken it up here, and then another one about here. And same thing there. Okay, so then now to draw his body. So let's come right back and about right here in the center. We're going to give him a very little neck, very thin little neck. And then right in this spot, we're going to draw this little bat head. So we're just going to start with a curve, and I'm going to come out with 2 ears. Kind of drawing a cat, and then we're going to bring it down to the center and connect. And then in this spot right here, we're just going to put in some eyes. So add a slant. Right here, and then let's just shade this in, just so you can see a little bit better. It's going to be kind of tricky to color, right? Because everything's kind of black. So we're going to have to use some shades of gray. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the wings. So about right here, I'm going to come out, and we're going to draw 3 of them. So let's go back and forth. 1, 2, and I'm just kind of aiming to about the width of the head. 2, and then 1 more, maybe a little bit longer, and then we're just going to bring it all the way back. So same thing here. Same thing, 1, 2, and then 3. And connect. There. Okay, and then for the chest area, let's come back right here, and we're just going to draw a curve. Find your center, about right here, and let's just bring in this deep curve for his chest. There. And then we're going to say about his shoulders are going to be about right here, very thin. So let's come back right here, and we're going to connect. And same thing here. There. And then let's bring this down. And here as well. So now we're going to start to draw his suit. And let's bring a line down right here in the center. And about right there, let's flare this out. So I'm going to come out and out. And about right here, we're going to go ahead and connect. From there, let's come back to the center, and about right in between these 2 points, I'm going to come right here and draw a slight angle line. And this is where the legs are going to start. So about right here in the center, let's go out with 2 angles. Then I'm going to come right back in this area and start the legs. So right here and here. And so let's bring this down. And I'm going to make it nice and long because he's very, very tall, right? So let's say about right there. I'll stop and bring this down as well. And connect. And same thing here. There. And then from there, let's go ahead and I'll just put in a line right there, and let's draw the coattails. So about right here, I'm going to come out, give it a little bit wobble. This is going to connect about right there, and then we're going to come back up. And then in this space, that's right about here, I'm going to try to draw part of the coattail. So just these 2 lines right there, and same thing here. Just wobble a little bit there. Okay, so then from there, let's draw his feet. So I'm just going to come out. Very simple, tiny little feet. and connect. Curve, and then just bring this out and connect. There. And then for his arms, let's go ahead and we're going to make them really long as well. We're just going to have them come to the side. So right here, just going to round off the shoulder area and let's bring it down to, say, about right there. Let's thicken them up and connect. And then for the hands, nice long bony hands. It's very thin, round it off and then curl and bring it in. So same thing over here. So round off the shoulders and just bring it down to about the same level, about right there. And once again, thicken up the sleeves and connect. There. Well, you know what? Bring it. Now that I'm looking at my camera, I should bring this down a little bit more. Okay, I think that's a little bit better. And then once again, long bony fingers. There. And I'll come in here real quick so you don't think there's a sleeve. There's a break in the sleeve, and erase this real quick here. And I believe that is pretty much it for this new version of Jack Skellington. I really hope I helped you draw him fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.